Think about it right now, everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually alright. You're okay.
Hi you guys, welcome back to Style Me Up with Sakshi. I hope you guys are doing really well. Today's video is extremely special to me. One reason why, because I've been contemplating firstly doing this video for about a year now, and secondly I just feel it's about time that somebody who is curvy or plus size does a video like this in India, telling you girls how to be comfortable and confident in your own skin. You guys already know how much I promote body positivity, and it only made sense that I do this video. And I just want to literally scratch away all of the barriers of the society telling us what to wear, what not to wear, and that swimwear is not meant for us. And I feel like all of my Diwali videos are going to come, all of my festive videos are about to come, and before that I just quickly wanted all of you guys to know that if I can feel beautiful in my own skin, being as imperfect or as perfect as I am, you guys can too. So I went on a shopping splurge and I got myself so many swimsuits. So I've been searching a lot of websites with good quality swimsuits, and there are a bunch of websites online, but I came across this particular one called Kapshi. I hadn't heard of this before, but through a friend I came to know about this website, and guys, they have legit one of the best swimsuits and the best designs I've seen in a very long time. And they also do bigger sizes, which I was so stoked about. So yeah, I've got myself a couple of swimsuits that I can wear for my holiday. And I know a lot of people are going for holidays during the month of November and December. A lot of people go to Goa. And I know that winters are coming, but still, there are a lot of people who are staying in places where there is no winter and there's summer all the time, and there are people who are going out for holidays. So this one's for you guys, and also for the next summer around, if you guys want to invest in swimsuits, this is the website for you guys. Okay guys, super excited to start with the haul. The first thing is this swimwear. Now this is a one piece. All of the things that I've got are one pieces, but there are some pieces in it which absolutely look like a bikini, but they're still one pieces. They're very fancy. I'm going to show it to you. Now the first one is this burgundy color, red wine-ish. I don't even know how to describe this color. Really nice color, wine color, and it has ruffles on it. Super pretty. It had padding on it, but I removed it because it was slightly uncomfortable. You can always remove padding if you don't like it, but absolutely loved this one. It fits me really well, and I can wear this as a top. Like a lot of people wear leotards and stuff, I can wear swimsuits on a daily basis with shorts, and it's going to be super comfortable and sexy, might I just add. The next one is my absolute favorite. I think this is definitely one of my favorite swimsuits that I've got. All of them are really nice, but this one is definitely a very happy swimsuit for me. Firstly, it is yellow, guys. I'm obsessed with yellow and mustard. Secondly, it looks like such a, such a dainty, fairy-like, feminine swimsuit, and it has halter neck, it has padding, and then it has a cutout under the chest, like on a little bit of a stomach area. It gives an illusion that you're wearing like a bikini bottom and a bikini top, but actually it's a one piece, so it's definitely very comfortable. The next one is a very sexy swimsuit. Now I know what you guys are thinking. Why would you invest in a lot of swimsuits? Honestly, I felt like it's about time that I invest in it. I am 23 years old. If I won't do it now, when will I do it? Now, you guys have seen like Priyanka Chopra in the movie, I think Dostana, and she's like walking out of the water looking all sexy, and I always thought like, she can only do that because she has a body like that, but now I feel very differently. I think I can do the same, and when I wore this particular swimsuit, I felt exactly like that. Firstly, beautiful color, beautiful, very sophisticated color, and the cut of this swimsuit is so beautiful. The padding is of a very nice quality. The quality of the swimsuit in general is super nice. It's halter neck, love halter necks, and then it has a very sexy front and a back. Guys, I'm a fan of this swimsuit. The next swimsuit is slightly more modest. Maybe not. It is in the mustard color, super sexy again. It's of a slightly different material. It has padding, and I love that it has a belt. Like, you can cinch it at the waist, and you can actually wear this swimsuit just as is, like top, and wear it with shorts. A lot of people don't really like to show their bottoms or their thighs. They just want to wear like a swimsuit with shorts. You can definitely do that. The next one is a beautiful swimsuit, guys. If you don't really like showing your chest area or your cleavage, this might be the perfect fit for you, because it has a crochet detailing, a very beautiful crochet detailing on its top. Now it hides all of the cleavage, and it has a bow at the back, which is quite cool. Again, a one piece. You can wear it with shorts. Again, this will pass off as this really beautiful beach top, and since it has a bow at the back, like, it gives like a sexy element. Like, you can show off your back. Like, I have a casual bow at the back. The next swimsuit is something that I absolutely loved, but I had my fair share of doubts wearing this swimsuit, because I thought maybe it's a little too revealing. The moment I got all of the restrictions out of my mind, I just realized that I should wear this swimsuit for the beauty of the swim. Now it has two bows at the back, really beautiful bows. I love this because it has three colors and three patterns on it. Now there's the red pattern, then there's a dark blue, and then the light blue pattern. I think it's a very unique swimsuit. I've never seen anything like it. Also, it has a cutout, which makes it look like you're wearing a high waist bikini bottom and a top separately, but again, it's a one piece. And that's about it for my bikini or swimsuit haul. Really enjoyed doing this. Guys, if you enjoyed watching this, please give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel ASAP if you just enjoyed watching this video. This, I think, was a huge milestone in breaking all of the barriers of the Indian society. Only a certain size can wear swimsuits. Honestly, I wore them. I looked pretty good in them. I felt pretty good in them, and so can you. I always get inspired so much by people like Ashley Graham, and I feel like there's no such public figure in India. I'm not saying I want to be Ashley Graham for India, but it's about time that we just like step up. It's 2018, which is almost about to end, and we're still stuck on a particular body type. I honestly feel like it's time that we just like literally like scratch open this mentality and just tell people that please be inclusive of all body shapes and sizes, and just being super comfortable in your own skin. I have a lot of beautiful posts from the shoot on my Instagram. If you guys want to see it, please go check it out. And guys, if you really want to buy any of these swimsuits or any other swimsuit, honestly, Cupshe has such a huge variety of swimsuits, one pieces and bikinis. And even though this was the first time I was ordering from them, their swimsuits are of a really nice quality, so I'm assuring you of that. And guys, definitely check this out. I'm going to be linking everything in the description box below. So yeah, I will see you guys super soon. Diwali video is coming up very shortly. I'm very excited for that. And if you have any other video requests, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. I will see you guys super soon. Have a great day ahead. Lots of hugs and kisses and lots of body positivity vibes to all of you guys. I will see you guys super soon. Bye.